Hi and welcome. Today we're making rice with vegetable. It's called Rouz Jerbi. We have tomato paste over here and harissa, teaspoon. We have rice. We're making it with chicken. We have chicken cubes. We have carrots, onions, and peas. For the season, we have salt, paprika, coriander powder, and turmeric, and oil. And then for the rice, you can use any rice you want. I use basmati. You can use any one. It's a cup and a half. You can add if you want to. I took the chicken and I took all the seasoning and I put them in a bowl and I mixed them together with tomato paste, just to make it easier. I will put all the vegetable. The vegetable, you can put anything you want. You can even put chickpeas, anything you like you can put. This is enough for 4 people, or depends. And I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you, mint, dry mint. You need dry mint. And we're gonna mix those first, and then we're gonna add all the seasoning and chicken. You can make it with beef, little cubes of beef. You can make it with chicken. You can make it with liver. You can just make it vegetarian, no meat at all. So it's up to you. You need your hands to mix. You can mix it with a spoon or something, but I don't think it's the same. You need your hand for everything to mix well. Now we're gonna put in a double boiler. You know, the one you cook the couscous in it. You're gonna put water in the bottom, and you're just gonna steam it. So there's no sauce or anything. So the oil and the tomato paste and everything, those are gonna be observed, and it's gonna be, you know, not dry. And then sometimes you just stir it, mix it, maybe after 15 minutes or so. So you would know it's cooked, that all the rice is cooked. Basmati cooks right away, like it doesn't take time to cook for basmati. The other rice, the yellow rice, takes time, a little longer. So it's up to you what you want to use. So this is the final dish. I hope you like, and if you do, please don't forget to give me likes, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in next video. Bye bye.